Division of work. Work is divided into small tasks or jobs, which results in specializations. Authority and responsibility. Authority implies the right to give the command and obtain obedience, and responsibility is the sense of dutifulness that arises out of authority. Discipline. Discipline refers to obedience to organizational rules and the terms of employment. It is to ensure compliance and respect for seniors. Unity of command. An employee will receive orders from one boss only. Unity of direction. All organizational units should work for the same objectives through coordinated efforts. Subordination. Individual or group interests are sacrificed or surrendered for general interest. Remuneration. Fair and satisfactory payment for both employer and employee. Centralization. There must be the optimum utilization of organization's resources. Scalar chain. Scalar chain implies the superior subordinate relation within the organization. Order. In an organization, there must be a proper place for everything, as well as each thing must be in its appointed place. Equity. Sense of equity should exist at all the levels of organization. Stability of tenure of personnel. Efforts are to be made to reduce employee turnover. Initiative. It implies thinking out and implementation of the plan. Esprits De Corps. It stresses on the need of teamwork in the organization. Thank you very much, and please subscribe